Everyone thinks the best-selling extension ladder is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Soulstone 12.5 FT Telescoping Ladder. First up is the Soulstone 12.5 FT Telescoping Ladder. This lightweight aluminum ladder caught my attention with its heavy-duty 330 pounds max capacity, and it's priced at around $126.47. If you want a ladder that's easy to store and transport for various outdoor projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This ladder extends up to 12.5 feet, which means you can reach those higher spots without feeling unstable. Plus, the 2 triangle stabilizers ensure that it stays steady on uneven ground, ideal for outdoor work like cleaning gutters or painting. With over 1,000 of these sold in the past month, it looks like others are seeing the value. Now, some people complained about the ladder not feeling as heavy-duty as they expected. Here's the thing though, for most home projects, the 330 pounds capacity should be more than enough, and the lightweight design makes it easier to move around. But if you're planning on using it for really heavy-duty tasks, you might want to consider something sturdier. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact ladder that can handle most home and outdoor tasks without taking up much space. Skip this one if you need something for heavy commercial use. For the price, I think it offers good value for anyone looking for versatility without sacrificing safety. Product number 2, Ladder Extender Pro. Next up is the Ladder Extender Pro, priced at $84.11. This isn't just a ladder, it's a stabilizer and leveler that can adjust from 13.4 to 19 inches. If you're working on uneven surfaces, this product is worth a serious look. What sets this stabilizer apart is its adjustable height range. It's a lifesaver if you've ever struggled to balance your ladder while trying to reach those tricky spots. With over 400 units sold recently, it seems to be a popular choice for those who need that extra stability. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to set up if you're not familiar with ladder accessories. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the added safety is totally worth the minimal learning curve. If you're someone who frequently works on stairs or uneven terrain, this could be a game changer for you. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself needing to work on slopes or stairs. Skip this one if you only need a basic ladder without any additional stabilizers. Given its price, it's a solid investment for anyone focused on safety. Product number 3, Little Giant Project Tray. Third on the list is the Little Giant Project Tray, an accessory priced at $55.65. This caught my eye because it's a handy addition to your ladder setup. If you want a convenient place to keep your tools while working at height, this is worth a serious look. The project tray holds up to 25 pounds, which is more than enough for your tools, paint cans, or anything you need close at hand while working. It attaches easily to most ladders, allowing you to focus on your task without constantly climbing up and down. Given that over 100 people have bought this recently, it's clear that having a dedicated workspace at height is a common need. Now, some folks have mentioned that it might wobble a bit if overloaded. I'll be real with you, that's a valid concern. But if you stick to lighter items, it works like a charm and enhances your productivity by keeping everything you need at arm's reach. This is perfect for you if you frequently find yourself juggling tools while on a ladder. Skip this if you don't want any add-ons to your ladder setup. For the price, it's a smart buy for anyone looking to boost their efficiency. Product number 4, SINMEIRUN 16.5 FT Telescoping Ladder. Now let's talk about the SINMEIRUN 16.5 FT Telescoping Ladder, priced at $250.45. This one really stands out because it's ANSI certified and supports up to 330 pounds. If you need a heavy-duty ladder for various home and professional tasks, this is worth a serious look. The 30 cm step spacing allows for comfortable climbing, making it easier to use for extended periods. Its compact size means it can fit in most car trunks, making it a practical choice for those on the go. Given that it's ANSI certified, you can trust that it meets rigorous safety standards. However, some users have reported that it's a bit on the heavier side compared to other models. But here's the thing, the added weight often translates to better stability, especially if you plan on using it for serious work rather than just occasional home maintenance. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable ladder that's suitable for both home tasks and professional jobs. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. In terms of value, it's an investment that pays off with its safety features and durability. Product number 5, Ladder Extender Pro Stairs. Lastly, we have the Ladder Extender Pro Stairs, priced at $68.29. This is an alternative version specifically designed for stair use, and if you need extra stability on steps, this is worth a serious look. This ladder leveler adjusts from 9.25 to 15.5 inches, which is perfect for working on stairs. Given its dedicated design for stairs, it's catching on quickly among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, some users found that the adjustment can be a bit cumbersome at first. But honestly, once you learn how to adjust it quickly, the peace of mind it brings while working on stairs is invaluable. If you're regularly tackling jobs on steps, this will save you a lot of hassle. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on stairs and need that extra level of safety. Skip this if your projects are always on flat ground. For the price, it's a worthwhile addition that enhances your ladder setup. So to recap, we've looked at the Soulstone telescoping ladder for portability, the Ladder Extender Pro for added stability, the little giant project tray to keep your tools handy, the SINMEIRUN telescoping ladder for heavy-duty tasks, and the Ladder Extender Pro for stairs. Each has its strengths tailored to different needs, so choose what fits your projects best.